everybody. So I just realized that I have made a mistake in explaining the domain of composite function. So I'm correcting here. Okay, so I said before that the domain, let's refresh the composite function first. Composite function is f small circle g, so it's called f composed with g, whereby the definition is like so, right? F small circle g equals to f of g of x. So you have to evaluate g first, and then evaluate f, right? So the domain is not the intersection of the domain of g and the domain of f. Okay, so I'm wrong. So this is wrong. Okay, the domain, let's read the sentence again. The domain of f composed of g consists of the numbers x in the domain of g for which g of x lies in the domain of f. So I'm gonna erase the part first, this one. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna erase this. So let's do that visualization again. Okay, so let's say we have, so it says here the numbers x in the domain of g, right? So we have x in the domain of g, Okay, so here we have x here, and then when we evaluate using g, we have the range of g, right? This is g of x, right? And then we have the domain of f. The sentence here is the domain of g for which g of x lies in the domain. So this part lies in the domain of f, not the domain of g. Is the range of g. Okay, so here the g of x that intersect with the domain of f. Okay, so maybe this part, right? So the x in here is gonna be the domain of f composite g. Okay, the x in the intersection between the range of g and the domain of f. Okay, I hope that clears some confusions. I'm sorry for the mistake.